Hello guys, welcome back to KS Digital Concepts. I hope you all are doing very well. So this is a very wonderful opportunity I've brought to you once again. So I have two secrets on how to unlock your ET. So if you have gotten your ET through the airdrop or through the any means you have gotten yours, or you haven't gotten, because I know that I share my link to many people, but most of them refuse to sign up. So many people didn't engage on this wonderful opportunity, while many also engage. But the issue now is how are they going to unlock their token? So, but I have the two secrets on the way in which you can just unlock you can be unlocking your token. All right. So the thing you need to do are very simple. You can see this coin just launched on 30th of September last month, and today is the fourth. You see how great this coin have been doing, how marvelous. Let's just see. You see how the thing has been doing very well, very greatly. You can see. Can you see how small it is? Imagine you started on this opportunity when it is being dropped. You see where you're supposed to be now. So, but nevertheless, if you haven't started, if you haven't registered, if you haven't gotten anything at all, you have the privilege to get five of this ET. You have the privilege now. Now. If you miss it now, I don't know what else. The first set of people have been gotten 10, 10, 10, 10 ET, 10 ET, 10 ET, 10 ET. But now it has been reduced to 5. The next thing again is to remove it entirely. So if you didn't get 10, you have the opportunity to get 5. So if you miss this 5, I don't know if it will be one they're going to give you again or if they're going to give you 0. So this is how Binance started. They share airdrop. A lot of people got it then. You see where Binance is now. You see how much one BNB is. So the same thing is happening on this coin. This is ETH. This is the native token. So if you miss this coin, now they are giving you 5 free, and one is trading for $29. Multiply 29 times 5, over 100 and something dollars. Imagine if one get to $100, that means you have $500. So what are you going to do now is for you to quickly click on the description of this video, get the link to register immediately. Once you register, you have done yourself a favor for one step. So now for those people that have already registered, and for those people that will register and to be knowing how they can unlock the tokens, this is what you're going to do. The first thing is you can start trading. You see, you can buy and sell any token, not even this ETH. You can buy any token from the home page. You see home page here. You see this place. You can choose any coin you want to buy and sell. So the more you buy and sell, the more chances of releasing your token for you. So now let's see our my buy history. So if I want to buy now, let me just see. You can see my history here, my order history. I just make a sell. So you can see I just make a sell some hours ago. So the more you buy, the more you make a trade, both futures, both spot, you have the chances of unlocking your token for yourself. Then if the people you refer, if you have someone that is trading very well, someone that is trading a big volume, if the person is trading and they release 10 token for the person, you yourself they will release 10 token for you. So that is the two method you can use to be unlocking your token and be making massive money, massive gain. Okay, so this is the update I have for you. Don't joke with this update. Don't joke with this information. So if you haven't liked my notification, if you haven't liked my channel, if you haven't subscribed, make sure you do it now. Just click on the notification, click on like, click on share. Share the information to others. Let them get the insights. Let them know what is happening. Okay? Make sure you click on notification so that you will be among the first person to get notification anytime a new video is being dropped. You can follow my Telegram channel so that you will be getting The link, you will get the link from there. If you can't find it on this description, you can follow my Telegram channel. You get it done also. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day ahead. Bye.